What's going on, Mutha Truckers? Welcome to Mutha Trucker News. Emails at muthatruckernews@gmail.com. I definitely want to give you that update on that major massive pileup on the I-94 in southwest Michigan. You know, it's still not recalled if anyone's passed away from this, how many vehicles, but as you can see here, it's a lot of vehicles that were piled up. The wreck was first reported just after 10 a.m. Chicago time on I-94 near Michigan, about 15 miles west of Kalamazoo and a few hours from Chicago. The pileup was caused by blinding snow and left cars and trucks destroyed, it says. We talk about this so much. Some people say CB radios don't do anything. Others say it's too much speeding, truckers not following their distance, and others say it's not truckers at all, it's cars involved. So just finally in, Nikola founder Trevor Milton sentenced to 4 years for fraud. Says that he got the investors for over $660 million. If you look up his net worth, it says something like $4 billion. Who knows how true any of that really is. But one thing we do know is when he went public, the next day he bought like a $32 million house in Utah. So for anybody that lost a lot of money with Nikola, I'm telling you right now, Trevor Milton's getting 4 years. Do you think that's a lot? Do you think that's a little bit? Mutha Truckers, comment down below. But just wanted to give you that update right here. For people that don't remember what happened, allegedly. I guess not allegedly anymore if, he's getting 4 years for this. Basically, his semi-truck going down a hill, but there's no engine in it, right? So definitely frauding investors. But Mutha Truckers, comment down below. Just want to give you the update on that. That just came out just today. I don't always get too personal with you guys, but, I woke up this morning and I thought about it. Today is Jenna, my wife's birthday, and I thought about it. This is actually her first birthday as my, I don't want to say budding years wife, but so I don't know, is it a little bit different, but it's one of those things where I just have to say out loud, happy birthday, Jenna. Check this out right here, Mutha Truckers. The old Chinese lady, she's got to make me look good for Jenna's birthday right here. You know what I mean? One thing I learned after dating her for 13 years, buying expensive stuff don't mean jack. It's remembering the day and maybe getting some beautiful flowers and, just enjoy each other's time, man. How are the flowers?
Forced to like them.
Stop it. It was a success?
They're so beautiful.
Just like you.
Brownie points right there. I didn't think you were gonna get flowers because we're gonna be heading back home today. So they're so pretty. You don't get to see flowers like this in the U.S. Or do you?
I don't know.
I don't see these.
Yeah, I don't even know what those are. I said, hey, get the best ones that I could buy for $10.
Really pretty. I'm a little sad I have to depart with it later because they're so pretty and I can't take it home.
A lot of the truck drivers always say happy birthday to Jenna. So, in the comments after watching the video. So, you want to say something back to the drivers?
It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Thank you. Thank you for all the birthday wishes. But love you guys. Love you guys. Mwah.